How to fix some keys are not working in your keyboard. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, go to your start menu, then go to settings. After that, go to accessibility, and now you will have to search for keyboard. In this interaction section, go to keyboard. After that, you will see an option of filter keys. Now, simply toggle this off if it is toggled on. As you can see, if filter keys are turned on, it can ignore brief or repeated keystrokes. So if it is turned on, simply turn it off until you see the blue button is disappeared. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.